Hi there, Dominic S.Y. Amuzu, part of the Human Cell Atlas Africa Network, and I'm here to share with you the Early Career Scientist Initiative. Now, over the years, the global scientists have come together to complete what we call the Human Genome Project. Similarly, we have the Human Cell Atlas, which is a global effort to create a three-dimensional map of all human cells. And together, we can have a functional map of organoids that is a 3D functional map of the human system. The Human Cell Atlas seeks to create a comprehensive reference map of all human cells, which will help us understand human health, diagnose diseases, monitor, and treat these diseases through research. It involves single cell research, which looks at cells in the brain, immune cells, tissue handling, the skin, and gastrointestinal, amongst others. And this is technology driven, which is such that it is a multidisciplinary effort among biologists, medical doctors, computational scientists, bioinformaticians, genomics, and the development of technologies. As such, this is a collaboration to build tools that will help us understand, use these tools in getting a coherent and a consistent data that can bring together a wonderful map. And this involves the whole HCA scientific committees across the various continents. And these include researchers who are working locally, coming together to explain the benefits of the HCA, collecting of samples, running research on these samples, getting credible data that can all be contributed for a collective effort. Now, Africa scientists are part of this effort, and this has led to the formation of the Human Cell Atlas Africa Network. Currently, the Human Cell Atlas Africa Network has an advisory committee, which is made up of top-notch research scientists who have volunteered their time to bring to Africa and harmonize the potential of Africa conducting single-cell research and contributing to the Human Cell Atlas development. They are supported by the Planning Committee. Now, the Human Cell Atlas Africa Network has initiatives, which are the Research Fellows Initiative, the Mid-Career Scientists, as well as the Career Scientists. These early career scientists, we all know, are the future leaders, even though there are challenges that early career scientists in single-cell research in Africa are currently having, such as inadequate expertise or skills to conduct single-cell research, lack of funding to support good proposals, and inability to form strong collaborations for research purposes, lack of mentoring environment for individuals or researchers, early career researchers who are into single-cell sequencing, and more importantly, we have issues with individuals who have trained outside and has adequate expertise in single-cell sequencing coming back to the continent to conduct good research. As such, we have benefits that involves joining the HCA Early Career Scientist Initiative for the African continent. This involves thematic groups, formation, research capacity for expertise development, workshop to expose members to single-cell genomics. There will also be platforms for collaboration across different platforms, different countries. There will be webinars and seminars in the field. And also, we're going to have a lot of information flow in terms of funding, scholarship, events, among others. On the basis of this, the organization have subcommittees such as the management committee, the workshop and training committee, the Collaborations and Research Committee, and finally, the Communications Committee. They sit together to work in harmony and bring to bear the potential in early career scientists across the African continent in spearheading single-cell sequencing on the continent. These are some useful links that can help members, and more importantly, if you are interested in registering and being part of this initiative for collaborating and working on single-cell sequencing on the African continent, the link below is what you could use, and the email is also displayed. Thank you for your attention.